Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use picture profiles on the Sony A6400. Let's begin. In order to change the picture profile, all you want to do is go to the menu and you want to go into the first section of the menu at 11th page. And right at the bottom we have picture profile. Currently it is set to off. We can click the trash bin icon to see what it does, and we will basically change the preferred image quality by adjusting gamma, detail, etc, etc. So we can go back, we can now click on it, and we can scroll through different picture profiles. And if we see something that looks cool, we can simply click on it. I do think like maybe this looks pretty cool. It's giving me nice noir vibes. So now we just take a photo and we have a nice photo in a different mode. So now we can go back to the menu. We can change the picture profile to something else, like this one. We can take a photo and we can remove the picture profile entirely. As you can see, this is the difference between the fifth picture profile and the other one. So they are basically fancy filters, for example. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.